With Russia suffering a lot of losses, most armored equipment gets damaged on the battlefield, leaving the possibility to tow it back and repair it. However, as this is a slow and vulnerable position which can backfire, being a bigger target, moving slowly and having expensive equipment to drag the damaged equipment. Seen with this BREM recovery vehicle towing back a Russian tank, but gets targeted by Ukraine's drone army instead, targeting the BREM vehicle to stop the movement before sending one after another drone to strike the two vehicles until both are destroyed, turning one less for tomorrow into two less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.